Disaster. So this will be our first and genuine reaction. तोपर्यंत आपण घेऊया छोटीशी विश्रांती. Ask your mom if you don't know what is खडा मसाला. मोडा. Hi guys. So today I'm vlogging because we have two very special things going on. First is Peru is making misal, and second, which is we ordered a cake from an Instagram
cake shop
which is owned by my friend's mom, and it is our first time ordering from there, so I thought why not review it, and he kindly sent it to us as a free gift. So I wanted to clear a few things. Firstly, we ordered the cake with the intention of buying it and not getting it for free. We were not even expecting that he would give it to us for free, but then when I told him that I'll be vlogging and showing the part where I'm eating the cake, he's like, yeah, then take it for free, which is very very kind. I've arranged something for you guys as well, so to see what that is, you have to watch the whole cake wala part. So I'm going to insert it right now. So now we are finally opening up the cake, and we haven't seen how it looks. He hasn't sent any pictures. So this will be our first and genuine reaction. So they gave us this box which already has a knife and a candle. If you are planning to throw a birthday party, they will provide you with that happy birthday wala label. So yeah, open it. So Peru is opening it. ते निघालं. Okay, so oh, they wrote our names. This is so cute. Shit. Mama, तुला आवडलं डेकोरेशन? Wow, this is awesome. Now we are gonna cut it and dude, wait, let's see the क्या बोलते हैं ये? The drip thingy. काय बोलतात त्याला? I honestly love it. I like my nickname they wrote Prana. Prana, Peru and Omi. This is so cute.
This is actually good.
I know. I wasn't expecting this. Itna acha. Okay guys, I'll show you the sides also. It has that drip effect. I don't know what it's called, but it looks very cool, and I love this ye flower wala icing also. Shit, I'm so excited to taste it now. Everyone is taking pictures. केक बघायला आहे मस्त एकदम. बघायला आहे, हा खायला पण देणार रे. मम्मा नाही, तिच्यासाठी नाही आहे. हा चॉकलेट ट्रफल. चला कापूया,
नंतर पोस्टिंग करूया.
स्टार्ट.
मला फ्लॉवर हवाय.
मला पण. आय वॉन्ट टू सी द लेयर्स.
असं मध्ये काप आणि लेअरचा फोटो पण इथे नको या.
नाही तसं बरोबर कापते ती मम्मा.
मला
थोडंसं पुल आउट कर. मला पण खूप खूप आवडलं. हो ओके ओके, आय कॅन सी द लेयर्स. मस्त आहे. वाव डूड, थांब असं बघा. सही आहे. आता टेस्ट करूया. शुड बी एक्साइटेड आहे.
मला हे जाम आवडलेलं सगळं.
ते ड्रिप वाले ना, मला पण
एकदम परफेक्ट.
होममेड वाटतच नाहीये. तू टेस्ट केलास का? तुला काय बोलायचं आहे?
अप्रतिम.
Okay, so now I am going to eat and react to this amazing cake which my mom finds amazing. It has chocolate pieces. It's awesome. Nice.
मस्त ना.
Homemade वाटतच नाही.
जरी
एकदम मस्त वाटतं.
मस्त आहे एकदम.
Amazing.
नेक्स्ट
खरंच
ऑर्डर.
चांगलं.
नेक्स्ट ऑर्डर.
Okay.
तो बघितला.
I like the icing, cream, सगळं मस्त आहे.
एकदम extreme
Sweet also, हां. Okay, so if you want to order a cake for yourself from the place which I ordered, if you live in these places, I'll put up a list here. You can have a look. These places. If you live anywhere near these places, you have to DM me and I'll give you a code, and through that code you can get free delivery on your first order. That will help you save some extra bucks on your first order, which is understood, Pranali. And secondly, these cakes are pure veg. There's no egg. And yeah, if there's a birthday or if there's an event, You just have to place these orders 2 or 3 days before the main event. If you want more than one cake, they'll do it for you, but you have to make sure that you tell them in advance so that they get time to make these, because they make your cakes on the spot. Like when you place your order, they make your cakes. It's not like they already make the cake and then they just preheat it and give it to you. No, it's nothing like that. I'm going to be inserting a few pictures of their previous orders so that you can get a gist of how their cakes are, and you can always visit their Instagram for more pictures or more stuff related to the cakes. Also, you can get your cakes customized. Like if you have something in your mind, you can tell them and they'll make it for you. Just like that. I'll be also mentioning all of these points in the description, just in case if you don't understand or if I miss out on a few of them. It was homemade, but it didn't feel like it was homemade. It was so good. It was too good to be homemade. Too good to be homemade. They should change their name. Too good to be homemade. Yeah, that's it. And now let's continue to the vlog where we make misal and eat our misal. Misal. We in Marathi it's called misal, but for you guys I'm calling it misal. I'll shut up. Bye.
खडे मसाले कुठे यार?
थांब मला विचार.
मला
First we have to cut everything.
Not cut everything. We need खड़ा masala. Then we'll make the mixture first.
Okay. So मसाला में क्या क्या जाएगा?
I'm gonna put onions and खड़ा masala.
Ask your mom if you don't know what is khada masala. Then we put all of it in a grinder, na? This thingy. And now she's cutting onion. We will put this also.
Yeah, we
mirchi
have to
वगैरह.
put 2-3 mirchis.
We have to put. I'll mention the list is the side pe, so that you all can screenshot if you want. By the way, this is not the ingredients for the whole recipe. It's just for the masala. Masala is we'll show you. Okay, how it is done. तो मुझे भी काम दे.
मिक्सी लाव. नाही तर अद्रक धू आणि अद्रक काप आणि ह्याच्यामध्ये टाक आणि लसूण. गार्लिक इज फॉर टेस्ट एंड अनियंस.
More onion. तूने एक ही डाला था?
नहीं, मैंने कितना 3 डाले थे.
3 onion.
Yes.
वो भी कम पड़ा.
3-4 लगते हैं.
Disaster. How did you let this happen? It's all because of you, Dexy. तुझ्यामुळे झालं. I can't handle onions. I really can't. I don't know how Peru does. I took a break from the kitchen because look what happened, and it happens every time, and this time it was super intense because the grinded mixture, it was just all over the place, so I guess it triggered the onion ka thingy more. Peru is still at it. I don't know how she does that. She's a pro right now. It's done? Yes. She belongs in the kitchen. If any of you guys want a wife, DM her. And I'm just a useless girl in this big world. Okay, people are looking at me. So now we are heating the tub, kadai. I'm putting oil in it.
अरे वो we have that red chili over.
Red chili flakes.
Oh no, not flakes. The whole, the red chili whole.
अच्छा वो dried red chili. Mom को पूछना पड़ेगा. So we found it. It was in this packet. Now how many of these?
We have to put this in the mixer though.
Show it to them. So we have to put this in this. This is stage panda. I don't know what you call it. Now what? Nothing. तोपर्यंत आपण घेऊया छोटीशी विश्रांती. Okay, so we are adding extra red chili powder so that we get that red and spicy flavor and taste. पाणी गरम करायचं असतं. हां. It's time to add the sprouts. तेल सुटलं म्हणजे काय?
The oil separates from the sabji, I think.
हां. Okay. So this is how you know when the oil separates from the sabji in Peru's terms. So look. Yeah, there's oil. You can see oil. More 5 minutes or 2 minutes?
Yeah, 5-10 minutes.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Yum. Oh, so this is the farsan we are going to use in the misal. Not sponsored. It's time to eat. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you what to add. So this is our mishran which she made. Then we'll add thoda kanda. Tell me when to stop, Peru.
Okay.
Bolna.
But
Okay, bas.
okay, you're asking me how much I have to put. Put a lot of kanda.
क्या ज़्यादा हो गया?
Yes. बस हो गया.
बस फिर नींबू साइड में लेते हैं, बाद में पिड़ते हैं. अरे ये पहले हलाइज होता?
नहीं.
Put चलेगा?
Yeah.
ऊपर से.
ऊपर से.
Okay. अभी मुझे नहीं चाहिए दही. I'll take 2 paos right for now. Then
It's ready.
yes, it's ready. Let's go and test the taste. Now we are going to taste it. Chal, let's begin. पहले नींबू पीते हैं. So make sure you have everything on your pav. Very good. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Bye.